Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can get Bybit on PC. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to search for Bybit. My bad. We're going to search for Bybit just like so. And then as you can see, it says download app. And if I click on that, then I'm just going to log in right over here. As you can see that it says complete the puzzle. So we're going to complete that captcha. Please try again. Okay, I think mine was just a bit off. You have to put it perfectly. All right. Now, once we've done it, it sent me a code to my email verification. So we're going to do that very quickly. And then once it's done, as you can see, it loads up on my PC, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.